up. As you can tell, we're about to plant some plants. Well, I guess in the next coming days, we will see if I killed everything. Oh, you scared me. I'm pretty excited. I have some different things that I'm going to be doing this year differently than any other year. So you can kind of see we have quite a big garden, but there's a slope down and there's a slight slope to this side. So I'm hoping that I can plant and do trenches diagonal to hold the water so it doesn't run down or over. All right, let's get started. It's a little late. Well, I feel like it's a little late. It's a little late for what we're planting. It's still early in spring to be planting, or late, depends on what you're planting. But I got a late start with planting my seeds inside, and then they died, and then I had to replant them. But we did go ahead and buy some cauliflower and broccoli and cabbages and Brussels from a gal in town who sells heirloom, so it's perfect. It's a little late for those types of things, but it is what it is. We'll see how they do. I'm gonna go ahead and plant carrots, and it's a couple weeks late for those, but we'll see how it goes. So in the next couple weeks, we'll be planting more things, which you won't want to miss. So go ahead right now and ring that bell so you can watch my garden grow with me. Oh, Adley, she is such a sweet girl. She's such a big help here in the garden, and I love her style. She is my little Punky Brewster. As you see, I'm just getting these trenches, and I had a hard time. I started off curved and I just kept going with the curve, and I really did intend for them to be straight and not curved, but they just kind of ended up really curved. And here I'm trying to straighten, making this end wider so that last row is a little straighter, I guess. And that's where we planted the carrots, which I can't wait to show you the update. And let me know if you like videos like this. If you prefer just watching the planting with no voiceover or explanation, you know, let me know. I've got more planting to go. I've been recording. We've done another string of planting, a couple strings of planting, mostly direct sowing. I do have a plant haul that I'm going to share with you guys as well. And gosh, I just love how helpful the kids are. I'm just like, go for it. If you want to garden, you want to plant, go for it. But here we are in South Carolina. We are in the Piedmont area, right on the line of zone 7A and 7B. So we really do try to pay attention to the freeze dates pretty closely, which is why I planted a little later alongside of my plants died. But anyway, hopefully it all goes well. But let me know if you like videos like this, and if you do, give it a thumbs up. That'll encourage me to do more, and I hope you ring the bell because I've got some more planting videos coming. And do not forget to comment. I love connecting with you guys down there. It's been a blessing to have this community and connection with you guys. I've really been enjoying it, so let me hear from you. I didn't know until editing this video that I had a little cameraman helping me out. That would be Aiden.
Just to pause a little, we are hard working. We've been on here since like day, and now the sun's going down. And yeah, we've just been working. Hard work.
She's such a sweet girl. I love how she keeps giving you guys updates and little pop-ins here and there. She did start a YouTube channel, and if you want to, you can go check that out. It is A Life with Adley, and she just shares, I don't know, her life. She really enjoys model horses, so she shares a lot with that. I help her with little stories. She does a little room cleanup, and she just turned 9. Oh my gosh, she is growing up too fast. But if you want to go check that out, I'm sure she would just love some views and a like. That would just make her day. All right, and in this last row, this is where I put the carrots, and I just did like a little trench up here on top, and I filled it with water. And you'll see I add some potting soil left over from the planters and the pods that didn't grow. I come back and put those in there, and then I put the seeds in, and then I lightly covered up about 1/4 of an inch of soil on top.
Okay, so we just did the carrots. Mom's covering up, and I don't know if we have any more to go. We probably do throughout summer. But yeah, we're doing good.
Now, I don't know if I'm gonna kill everything or not. Probably, knowing me. It's a learning process, I think. I don't know, as I start looking at this and the mounds, maybe I did the trenches too deep because I do want some drainage. But previously, like, everything high and on that side dies because it gets so dry and not enough water. And everything does better on this end. So, I don't know. We'll see. If they all die, then I know. And here's the chickens. They are so cute. I do love my chickens. And there's the guineas, the police, the fun police. They make sure everybody is behaving themselves. Luckily, they do kind of break up fights if the chickens do fight. They kind of run over there and tell everybody to knock it off, which is good. Well, I guess in the next coming days, we will see if I killed everything. I'm gonna try to keep everything watered. Just keep an eye on it. We'll see. I don't know. After looking at those trenches and I tried to shrink them down a little bit. That was a hummingbird! He like came right at me. Oh, he scared me. Poor guy. Anyway, I don't know. Be nice in the comments. There are many of you who are much more wise than I am. And hey, I'm here to learn from my mistakes, and I hope you guys learn from my mistakes too. But it might be fine. Who knows? We'll see. All right, guys. Ring that notification bell so you don't miss the next thing I have going on. Thank you, guys. See you again next time.